Hello guys and welcome back to brand new video. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install Chrome browser in your Kali Linux machine, and it is very easy, and I will also show you in how you can install in root repository. So please watch video till the end and subscribe to my channel, like this video now, and let's start the video. Okay, so first you need to open your web browser. That is by default it is Firefox in your Kali Linux machine, and just open a new tab and just search for Google Chrome, and yeah, it is here. And yeah, you can see it is showing download now. It's a Chrome official website, and just download it, and it is for showing you that it is for Linux, Debate and U-boot. So just accept and install it, and you will see here just save the file and just press OK, and it's downloading now. So let's wait for it. So I'm just pausing my video. Until now you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe it and like this video. Yeah, I have completed my downloaded, and let me just open it, and yeah, it is showing in the download folder now, and it's properties total, yeah, it's total 79 MB file, and we are going to download in the non-root, means our main. So just open your terminal, and you can see it's showing the alpha1 star Kali. So it's not root, and you can see the dollar sign here, and let me just install it. So I have opened it, so let's just do. First you need to download that file, and now cd downloads, go to downloads, because we have downloaded in downloads folder. Okay, and yeah, we are going to downloads now. Okay, you can see it, and now you just press ls, and now just copy it and just paste here and type this file, just press enter, and it is showing an error because we have not give the permission. So for permission you just need to type sudo apt install, and then this and shift Ctrl V, and just press enter, and just give your sudo password. I'm just giving it, yeah, and yeah, it's reading the package, and it is giving the permission. So tell yes, type Y and just press enter for giving permission, and it is downloading now, and it's showing 83.66 MB file total, and it will take a time. So till now I'm pausing my video, and if done I just resume it, so it will take a time. I'm just pausing out. So yeah, my installation process has been done, and it just took 1 minute, not also 1 minute, it's do it fast. And if you complete this, and you just need to go to here and just type chro Chrome, and yeah, it's opening now. Just press enter, open it, and yeah, it's showing just okay, and yeah, the browser has been opened, and you just need to get start. Yeah, skip, I just skip it, continue, and it's showing for Google account login. You can log in it, but I don't want to. Okay, so that's all in how you can download in the main, as we have used in the sudo alpha1 star Kali. That's, and now I will show you how you can install in root profile. So let's begin that video. Okay, so guys, I have shown you in how you can install in the sudo apt, means sudo profile, and it was very quick and simple process, and the root is not difficult, but it's something like tricky. So please watch this video carefully, and you can see it's root Kali, so I'm in the root and it's hashtag. And let me just show you, and we have installed in the sudo, that's why it is showing here the Google Chrome, you can see it. But if I click on that, it will not open because it has any problem. So let's that fixes. So you just need to go to the Chrome, the sorry not Chrome, the Firefox, and just go to the, we have gone to the Chrome official website and just download it, same like we have done in the sudo. Okay, and just install it. I have already installed, you can see it. And I'm just going the profile and just right click on it, sorry, left click on it, and just open the terminal here. And you just need to type ls because we have already in the downloads repository. So just copy it and just paste here, not paste, wait, for that you just need to give the permission. Yeah, and just press enter. Yeah, it's showing the permission. So apt install, and we have not done the dot slash, and then control V, shift control V, okay, for paste, and just press enter. And it's reading out the same process we have done in the that sudo, and showing already installed. So okay, not a big deal. Okay, so we have already the sudo, that's why it's showing that. And now just go there and just Google Chrome, and now it is also not opening, you can see it. Let me just do clearly. Yeah, I click on that, now it's not opening. So for that you just need to go to open the folder. Now for the root, you can see the root, and now just go to the computer, and now you just need to go to file system. Yeah, it's we have I am using the Kali Linux as a main operating system, that's why in this we have, if you have installing VirtualBox, the same method. Okay, and you just need to go to opt folder, and then Google, then Chrome, and now you just need to find the Google Chrome. Yeah, Google Chrome file. So see it clearly, first you need to go to opt folder, and then Google, and then Chrome, and yeah, then go find the Google Chrome file, that is this. And now you just need to open your terminal and just type here, if you have not installed the LeafPad in your Kali Linux machine, then use this command. So apt install LeafPad. Okay, and just press enter, and it's installing. Wait for it, it will be installing just a second, just wait it for it. And it's installing now. Yeah, it's done. And just close it, and now just left click on it and do open with the LeafPad. Okay, LeafPad, and yeah, it's the LeafPad is open now. And just pick it, and now see the video carefully. So you just need to scroll down it, and do not do anything with this code, and you just need to go to last here @ double colon, and just space it, and space, okay, not paste, space. And then I will just give this command, I will just give command in the description box below. You can just copy out and just paste here, and just paste it. Yeah, and now that's all. And you just need to go to file, and then save. Okay, go to save, not go to save as. You just need to save it, and just close it, and I'll just close it out. And if you don't want to install Google Chrome, it's okay. If you are using in the root, if you are already installing the sudo, it's okay. And I'm just closing the tab, just all close it. Yeah, it's all closed. And now just go to Kali, and yeah, type here Google Chrome, and if you press enter, yeah, you can see now the Google Chrome is opening clearly in the root. You just need to go give that command. I will just provide that command in the description box. you can do it. Yeah, and the Google Chrome is open, and now you know what to do. And yeah, what to do, that is subscribe to my channel and like this video now. So that's all today, and if you really like the video, then like it and subscribe to my channel. That's all. Thank you for now, and